How to set the Wi-Fi proxy configuration on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then in here, tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on. Next, tap on the settings icon right next to the name of your Wi-Fi network. Then go down and tap on View More. Next, tap on Proxy, and in here, choose Menu, or you can choose Auto Config if your network use Auto Config. So in this video, we're going to set it to Menu. In here, you put in your proxy web address, so proxy.itjungles.com. Okay, so that is the web URL. Then we go down and choose the proxy port for that proxy server, so it could be 8082. And then in the bypass proxy for, you can put in the web address. So for example, www.google.com or .itjungles.com. Now the bypass proxy for section, what is it and what does it mean in this Wi-Fi settings? When configuring a proxy for a Wi-Fi network, such as the phone that I'm having right now, S25 Ultra, you might see an option called bypass proxy for. This settings allows you to specify certain websites, IP addresses, or domains that should not go through the proxy server. So why, what would you use it? Three main reasons. Some internal website or services may not work properly when routed through a proxy. The second reason is to ensure direct access to local network resources, such as printers, file servers. And lastly, it is to improve performance for trusted websites by avoiding unnecessary proxy filtering, such as google.com or another web address that does not need filtering. Then we can bypass the proxy. Once you have finished putting in all the correct information in the text field here, tap on the Done button and then make sure it's all correct. If it's not correct, then you cannot save. So here I'm going to correct this space right here. And then we check everything. Make sure everything is put in correctly. If there are spaces and stuff, it might not work. Then tap on Saved to complete. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.